Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome Music Lab and loading the experiment you want to extend. First, check how many bars or measures the piece currently has and decide your target length. This helps guide repeats versus new material. Once done, enable loop mode if available, or plan to duplicate measures. Make sure to save a copy before editing. You're doing this so you can experiment safely. That backup prevents losing a version you like while you try lengthening strategies. Next, duplicate the sections that work well. You select the measures, copy them, and paste where needed. While copying is fast, make sure to vary the repeats. Transpose a part by a step, shift rhythm slightly, or add a percussion layer so the loop doesn't feel static. Once done, stagger duplicates to create call-end response or harmonic growth. This keeps listener interest. You're doing these edits because small variations make a longer piece feel intentional and musical rather than repetitive. To finish, play the entire track and smooth transitions between duplicated sections, overlap notes, or introduce short fills so joins feel natural. Once satisfied, export or save the final file and verify the length matches your goal while energy levels stay consistent. If something sounds off, revert to your saved copy and try fewer repeats, adjust the timing grid, or trim overlaps. You'll want to troubleshoot by isolating problem sections. Then fix timing, dynamics, or instrumentation so the longer version feels cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.